Today, let's see how to fix this localhost refused to connect error. It can it can happen for a number of reasons. Let's begin. First, go to your command prompt and type ipconfig slash plus DNS. That's highly likely that it's because of your DNS settings. So let's flush this DNS and see if it goes away. If it doesn't goes away, let's move on to the next one. And it can be because of your browser. So go to Chrome, net internals and HSTS and type localhost here and click delete and close the window and open it again and see if the problem resolves. If it doesn't resolve, let's move on to the next one. It can very well be because of your Windows Defender. Yes, there is a chance that your Windows Defender might be blocking your localhost access. So let's turn it off and see if it works. For that, go to your control panel and click network and internet and click network and sharing center and click system and security and click Windows Defender Firewall and click turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and turn it off. Click turn it off and click turn it off here as well. This this most likely would resolve the issue. If it doesn't resolve the issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you out. All right, thank you.